Logging off for the weekend. I hope y'all have a good weekend. Hey everybody, it's Marquise Hines from Hines Law Firm. Just wanted to leave y'all with some wisdom based off cases that I've handled this week. If you get in a car accident, and I think we've discussed this in previous videos, but if you get in a car accident, there's 4 things that you should do. Number 1, make sure that you're safe. Make sure, calm down, analyze your injuries. Make sure that you and everybody that you're with, that y'all are doing well. Obviously you got to make contact with the other driver, but for the most part, make sure that you're doing well. That's first, that you off to the side, that you're safe, not in the flow of traffic. Sometimes you do have to move your cars, but just make sure that you're safe overall. 2, call the police, get an officer out there, get somebody to come out and document everything from a third party perspective. You want to make sure, your word versus their word, it might not always go the way you want. So if you're able to get a third party perspective, such as a police officer or a witness who just happens to be in the area, it's always good to get somebody's written testimony or statement right there at the scene. So call the police, get a statement. 3, seek medical attention. At least, 3 cases that I've had this week, or potential cases where people have called me or we've signed them up. They waited, 2-3 days to go get medical treatment. Sometimes you might not feel it, that initial rush, that adrenaline. It's just everything hasn't settled in. So you're not sure, am I hurt? Am I not hurt? That next day you might feel it. So just to be safe, that next day, that night, go get checked out. Almost every single time somebody gets an accident, especially if they have car insurance, you're going to have to talk to an adjuster at some point. You're going to have to file a claim at some point. Let us do the talking. Let the attorneys do the talking. Make sure you get your claim filed. Make sure you get the contact information of the insurance company from the other person. But let us do the talking, because sometimes you can talk yourself into a situation where, again, the adjusters, they do this all day, every day. This might be your first car accident. So when you say, yeah, I stepped on the gas, they hear that and say, oh, so you were speeding. Don't even put yourself in that situation. Call us, let us talk to them, and let us handle it. Again, if you don't go with Hines Law Firm, go with somebody. Go with some type of attorney that knows what they're doing, so that you're protected. Because ultimately, these insurance companies, they don't care about you. They want to wrap your case up with the least amount of medical treatment possible, with the least amount of settlement possible. You don't want to end up in that situation. So prevent future shambles. Make sure you're safe at the scene. Call the police. Go get checked out and call your favorite attorney. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good weekend. I'll talk to y'all later.